Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Sir Amzadi and everyone. Today, we are going to present about our system, our online application system named Actisystem, which is designed for student activity application. This system will streamline the process for student leaders to submit application for various activities that they wish to conduct. And now, I'm going to pass the stage to my friend Aina.
Thank you, Rezain. So now I will start with the register process first. The main page show the register button and also the login button. So once the user click to the login button, they will see the create an account button and also the login button. So first, I will show you how to register the application. So the user must click to the create an account button, and then we have to fill in the applicant registration form. We have to select the profile picture and then name, and then email address, and then the matrix ID, and then fill in the phone number, and what is your favorite movie, and then password. And we have to click to the register button. So it will appear the message registration successful, and then click OK. And then it will redirect to the login page, and we have to fill in the matrix ID informations and password that we have registered just now. But at this time, I want to show how to use the forgot password button. So we click to the forgot password button and then fill in the information, the matrix ID, and then the security question that is so important that we have to memorize what we have registered just now. And then click on the confirm button, and it will appear the password reset page, and then we have to enter the new password. And then we have to click to the reset button. So after successfully registered to the application, we have to log in again using the new password that have been updated just now. And then fill in the password, and then click login. So now we will see the dashboard page, and then we want to register the application. We want to apply the activities. So we have to select at the application, and then click on the add new application. And here we can see the form to apply the activities. And then we have to fill in the information needed. And then select the association name, and then the association's advisor, and start date. This start date and end date refer to the date of the activities that will be conducted. And then start time, and then end time, and then the activity location, and then select the activity conduct at inside campus, and then the speaker name. This section is actually not compulsory. And then the financial implication, the achieved PI, And then we have to select the uh, file or the document needed for the application, which is here we can see that uh, we have to select the paperwork document. So this is the paperwork, and then the form C, and then select the cover letter for the activities. And then additional document is actually not compulsory too. And then we have to click on the submit button, and the message will appear, application submit successfully, and then click OK. And we already see the application that we have submit, and the status will be pending. So here at the sidebar, at the left sidebar, we also can see when we click on the pending application, we see the status pending. And then for the action, we can click on the view button, and then we will see the view application display, which provide all of the information and the associated document, which is paperwork, form C, and also cover letter. So we have to click on the back button, and then in this display, we also can click on the edit action. So we're able to edit the application, such as activity location. And then we have to click the update button, and we can view again and see the activity locations have been updated, which is in Dewan Seminar. So in this view application too, we also can see the edit and delete button here. So we were able to click the edit and delete button in this view application display. So back. And then at the approved applications, since the applications have not been approved, so the informations have not been in this display. So for one more applications, I want to register one more activities, which is exploring a career, and then association name, and then the start date, end date, and end time. And then the activity application. And then the achieve PI. And we have to select the paperwork document for this activity. Kita kerja exploring a career, cover letter, and then the form C. And then we have to click on the submit button and click the OK button. So we're able to see the two applications that have the pending status. So one more information that in the edit application, we also can edit the associated document, which is additional document for the activity. So, and then we have to click update, and then OK. We're able to see the associated document in the view application too. For example, we have to click on the paperwork, and then we can see the paperwork associated document. And then here, in the document section, we have to click at the all document section, and then we can see the document ID, document name, and also application ID. And then in this section, we can see all the documents listed such as paperwork, form C, and cover letter. And for the paperwork, we can see only the paperwork category, which is the document category, which is the paperwork. We only can see the paperwork. So click on the view, and we can see the associated document for the paperwork. And then this is the form C document. And then this is the cover letter document. And we also can see the additional document. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to Ain Fatihah.
Thank you, Aina. Now, I will explain the FAQ section in this system. The FAQ, or frequently asked question, help user to find answer to the common question about the system. For example, if a user want to check their application status, they can click on how can I check the status of my application. The answer will appear below, and the answer, there is a blue color text, all application. User can click on this to go directly to the page where they can see their application status, whether it's pending, approved, or reject. Another important feature in the FAQ section is the ability to download the user guide. If user want to download it for offline access, they can click on the question, can I download the user guide for offline access? The answer will appear stating that the user guide is available in PDF. There is also a blue color text here which user can click to download the guide directly. Alright, next we go to contact us. Contact us if you have any question regarding the application and need some help. Feel free to ask by filling out the form below. As you can see, you don't need to write your name and your email because it's already synced with your account. You just need to write your question and then you can submit it. So your question has been submitted. Admin will be answered through email. To access the edit profile page, user need to go to the top right corner of the screen and click on their name. In this example, the name is Siti Marisarah Muhammad Noor. When they click it, a drop-down menu will appear with two options, view profile and logout. Users should click view profile and they will be taken to their profile page. To edit this information, users just need to click the edit button, which is orange and located at the bottom right. After clicking it, they can update their details and save the change. Alright, that's it for edit profile. I think that's all for user interface.
Thank you to Ain Fatihah. Now I will explain about dashboard as admin. On the dashboard page, the application status is already displayed, and it's showing the total number of application, the number of pending, and the total number of whether they have been approved or rejected. And it also showing all the list of list pending application. And here also have a search section, which is we can search the activity name. For example, finishing school. So it will appear the searching activity. Okay, next we will move to the application section. So in the application section, it will appear add new application to apply the activities. And then we move forward to all application. On the all application, it will appear the list of application that apply by applicant. In the application section, when the admin click the review button, they can take action to either approve or reject the application, just like in the dashboard section. So, for example, Blossom activity and remarks as complete can proceed. So from here, you can the admin can see the paperwork, Form C, cover letter, additional document, which is the document that have been uploaded by applicant. So I try to approve. The application have been approved and it will appear at approve application section. So other than that, if admin reject the application, for example, for career, exploring a career, for example, incomplete Form C document and reject. So it will appear at reject application section. Same goes to pending application. So if admin didn't take any action, it will appear at here at pending application list. And for all application list, it also show the edit button. The edit button allows the admin to modify or update any additional information for the applicant. Okay, for example, the speaker name. Try to update. So here it will appear the speaker name. But if the application is no longer needed, so the delete button can be used to remove it. Next, I will move to document section. For the document section, from here, it will appear all document list, which is the all document have been submitted by applicant. It will show the all types of document, which is paperwork from Form C document, cover letter, additional, and also additional document. From paperwork section, it will show only the paperwork documents. Same goes to Form C documents and cover letter, and also additional document. So admin can view all the documents submitted. That's all from me. I will pass it to Resign.
Thank you, Farah. So now I'm going to show you about the user section. So in the sidebar, you can see the user section have 4 items. The first one is the add new user. So when you click on it will bring you to the add user page, registration page earlier, but it is slightly different because it is for the admin usage. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to add a new user. So I click the image. So as you can see, the image is slightly different. So I will add a new sorry, Muhammad. Then itulah. So m.a So for the security question, I'm just gonna put, let's say Nemo. For the temporary password, for the temporary password section, the password is not hide, so the admin can see it because the admin need to make sure that he didn't mistype the password. So I'm just gonna give it ABC123 and another ABC123. Okay. So for the role, so as you can see, for the user role, admin can choose the two different type of user role. The first one is admin and the applicant. It is because only an admin can add another admin in the system. So I'm just going to choose the admin to add a new admin, and then click submit. So as you can see, the JavaScript prompt registration successful. So once you have registered a user, it will redirect you to the all user page where all of the users are listed here. So as you can see, I can view and edit details of another users in here as my role is admin. For example, if I view this account, this user details, so it shows the profile picture, name, email address, and all other details, including the user role. So for example, if I want to edit this account, I will press the edit button and then I can change the role also. So for example, I change the role to applicant. Then there is JavaScript prompt, and as you can see here, that the role has changed to applicant. I can also delete a user. For example, if I want to delete, I can delete this user. It asks whether if I'm sure I want to delete this user, so I delete. Then it's gone. Now another user is showing up. Okay, now as you have seen earlier, there is FAQ feature or function where user can seek for the answer for the frequently asked question, but this section can be edited or adjusted by the admin. So, but I will show it. I will talk about it more later. So, going to the inquiry is the the same as the contact us for the user, for the applicant, but for the admin it shows the inquiry. So it shows all of the question asked by the applicant. So for example, as you can see, this question earlier, is this on application system accessible on the mobile devices? And it shows the status as unanswered. So I click respond, then all the details there. I can just simply type the answer here. So yes, the online application is application system is accessible on mobile devices as it is a web-based system. So once I click response, it will send an email to the user, and also, so the email has been successfully sent, and also the status will change to be responded. So I already know that the question has already been answered. So we can see it later on the user section. Later, user can open up the email and check for the answer in their email. So in the settings section, as you can see, it lists out all of the things that can be changed by the admin. For example, here is the user role. So the current user role only have two user role, which is the first one is admin, the second one is the applicant. So let's say if in the future that admin need to change or add the new user role, for example, let's say here, let's show here. So I choose new user role, value, I add staff. So, and then I click save. New setting has been added successfully. So there, as you can see, the new user role, which is the staff. This setting contain all of the lists and the things that can be changed by the admin. Here is the list of all association name, the PI list. Here you can see even the FAQ question can be changed here. So here is the FAQ question, and here is the FAQ answer. So as you can see that some of these question are clickable to open a new page. So it is utilize the HTML uh, code like this. As you can see, it is a href function. So I can go back, and then there is a variable. So if I want to add a new variable, I can do that by adding it here. For example, let's say, I have no any Astaghfirullahalazim paraket. So at the bottom of the page is the setting variable where I can add a new setting variable. For example, as you can see, the association list, user role, achieve PI, variable, FAQ question, and FAQ answer. If I need to add a new variable, let's say, I can simply add that. So I can also edit it. For example, this one is staff. I can click edit. So change the staff to employee, let's say, or the lecturer, let's say. So I click save, and there, the user role has changed to a lecturer. So I think that's all from me. I'm going to pass it back to Aina to show the user side for the inquiry. Thank you.
So now the user need to log in again to see the status of their application. So here we have to click on the login and fill in the information. And then the password. Fill in the password again. And then click login. So here in the dashboard, we can see that there are no pending application, which means that all the applications have been reviewed by the administrator. So we can see that there is one application have been approved and another one applications have been rejected. So the total application is two. The total applications is two. So we can click at the application section and then go to the approved application. And here we can click on the view application, but we can see the status that have been changed to the approved status. So we click on the view, and then we can see that the status is approved. And in this section, it also have the remark section, which is the user can get the information given by the admin. So one more thing that in this view approved application, we cannot change the application since the status have been changed to approve. So it will show this application cannot be edited. And then we can see the rejected application here. And then same goes to the approved application. We can also click at the view button, and then we can see the status changed to rejected. And then the remarks shows incomplete Form C document. And then we can click on the back button, and it also cannot be edited. So previously, the user have submitted a question that should be answered via email by the admin. So now we need to check the email. We go to the email here. So this is the response from the admin. So the question has been answered and the information has been provided to the user in the email. So we go back to the system and we can click log out. So I think that's all from us and that's all from our system. So thank you.